Absolutely. Zomato is making its debut on the BSE Sensex, but this is the first new age company that is making its debut. An interesting move, and as mentioned as well, it is new age that is coming in. Old economy is going back. Now, who are they replacing? JSW Steel, as mentioned, that is what will get replaced. JSW Steel will be out of the Sensex. Zomato will come in. Now, what does this do in terms of the weightage? If you talk about Zomato's weightage as well, as per our calculations, Zomato will have 2.4% weightage on the Sensex. What would this inclusion mean? Firstly, this will mean higher passive flows for the company. Number two, there will be increased allocation by index funds as well with regards to where Zomato goes. So overall, this is going to be a positive. From a stock price performance perspective, what we need to note over here is you might not see a major rally that could come in at one go. It will be a gradual uptick that could happen in terms of where the stock price performance is concerned. Now, moving on, in terms of another recent update is that they've got a fundraise approval as well for 8,500 crores from the shareholders. And this is an interesting move because the company has time and again come out and said that with the expansion plans that they have in place, the cash flows have been depleting for them. And that's one of the reasons why they're looking at this kind of an uptick. Moving on. How has it powered the investors so far? 2.3 times is the up move in the last 1 year. And if you see in the last 2 years, the stock has moved nearly 4 times. And I think this is one of the reasons why it has been considered to come in as a part of the Sensex. If you see the listing day stock performance as well, Swiggy, which recently listed, a 7.7% is the listing gain that we've seen since the issue price. And Zomato, a 51% listing gain is what we've seen on the day of listing. So interesting moves between both the companies as well. And very lastly, the brokerages continue to remain upbeat on the counter. You have a Morgan Stanley, which has an overweight. They have increased the target price to a 355. Apart from that, a JM Financial prefers a Zomato over a Swiggy. Jefferies, Zomato is their top pick for the next 5 years. They have a target price of 400. And Cities, India's top internet pick, they have a target price of 220 as well. So that's with regards to where Zomato goes. Brokerages are upbeat. Investors have created wealth so far. And thirdly, now with the Sensex, with the inclusion in the Sensex, the clear understanding is that passive flows will increase. Fundraise will become easier for the company. And where from here on, where it's able to reach is what we have to see.